In this video, we are going to import a plan from Autocad and design a bedroom. Go to File in the top left corner, here click Import, and select the CAD file. Now we get the plan in the Sketchup file in this way. Check the scale of the plan that is imported using the measuring tool. We can scale the plan using the Scale tool. Now, take the Rectangle tool and draw along the wall. Use the Push-Pull tool to make the wall with a height of 350 centimeters. Now select the wall only and make it a component. Now double-click the wall to activate the component and pull the wall along the plan. Use the Ctrl+ pull to make separations along the windows we can edit later. Now we can create the window openings. Measure a sill height of 60 centimeters. Measure the window height needed, and pull down the wall to create the sill. Now use the pencil tool to separate the surface and pull the wall to create the opening. Do the same for the other window. Close the wall above the door, also using the same method. Now, we will create the ceiling and floor. Draw a rectangle above the wall, giving a thickness of 12 centimeters or 10 centimeters, and make this a component. Now copy and paste it to the floor. So now we have floor and ceiling created. Just move the ceiling for now to edit the interior. Next, we need to place the door and windows. We can take these additional objects from the third warehouse, open the third warehouse and search for the object we need, and download the Sketchup file. Now open this file and copy this window. Go to our project file and paste. Now we have the window here, we need to scale it accordingly. Now import the door into the file. Now we can add some materials and furniture. Here I'm just going to add a bed from Enscape. Go to Extensions, here click Enscape and select Asset Library. Here we can get a range of furniture and accessories to add to the model. Now we can add materials. There are multiple ways to add materials. First, we can use the SketchUp materials in the default tray here. First, we must make the floor component unique. Just right-click and make it unique. Now select the material needed and add it to the floor. Here we can change the color or shade of the materials. We can also add texture from our files to create custom materials. Okay, now the second method is we can add an Enscape material. Go to the Extensions tab, there click Enscape, then Enscape Material Library. I have selected a plaster stucco material. Here we get a range of materials. Now just add the material to the wall. We can change the materials of the windows too, as you like. So that's all for today. In the next video, we go into more detail in designing the interior.